Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make any button transparent in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and log into your WordPress account. This is the WordPress home page over here. Here on the right hand side, you can see the quick links option and below it is the edit site option. Simply click on the edit site option and it will take you directly to the editors page of WordPress. And after you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, we are simply gonna go to the left hand side over here. As you can see, there is a plus icon. Just click on the plus icon and search for button. We're gonna add a button to our WordPress site firstly. As you can see, I'm just gonna place it over here. As you can see, and on the right hand side, we are gonna go to the styles tab and click on the background option over here. Now from here, we are gonna select the options which make my button transparent. As you can see, I'm trying to make my button transparent, and this one and this one actually go along with the background of my page and make the button transparent. The button actually exists over here, but it is transparent, it is not seen actually. So after applying the suitable colors from the background option from your WordPress site, you can actually choose the best color that makes your WordPress button transparent. And after you are done with it, simply click on the save option over here and your actions will be saved. And that's how you can make any button transparent in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.